Ladies and gentlemen, today is a huge day, big day, and I will take you with me because today I'm going to buy a brand new drone. I already sold my old one and I don't have any drone now, so I have to go and buy it and I will upgrade it. I got DJI Mavic Air 1 almost for 3 years, maybe more, and now I want to buy something much better. Yesterday I reorganized my backpack. It's very hard to do that because you have to find the best solution how to fit all my gears to the back. Yeah, so it's like this: lens, camera, and now I made a space for drone here. So let's see if it is okay, if it's enough space for it. And also, I had this big, huge, and heavy lens in the middle, and it's not good because logically you have to put the heaviest things on the bottom. So yeah, this is the way. Let's see if I fit there everything. Also, I don't wanna buy just one drone, but I'm considering to buy two drones. And one of them is going to be FPV because I love this kind of shots and I want to learn it. I want to learn it a long time already. I think like maybe 1 year. For 1 year I just want to buy it and fly with it, but I haven't done it so far. So shit, I think I'm going to be homeless after these purchases. Expensive purchases. Oh man, crap. But it's like investment in my hobby and what I believe I can do. Yep. This is mine. I love these snacks. Yep. And it's melon. This is what I'm eating. Hello. It takes almost 1 hour to get there to the shop in the bazaar. And yeah, I was shopping today and I got like this problem with this motorbike like for 5 days because I was on the beach and just like the wave surprised me, the water came and I think the water got inside the motor or the system and now it's problem with starting. So I was starting like for 50 minutes with this motorbike and so let's see if it's working. Yeah, now it's okay, but always in the morning after the night it's not good. Okay, I'm here. Let's spend some money. Let's go. Hello. I'm reorganizing again, but it fits perfectly. Wow, I'm so happy. We're waiting for downloading my new app to my phone, and I will try to fly it. I'm so excited. I had to buy new card because this drone can film in 5K. It's so good resolution, so I need faster card for that. Okay, I bought it. I'm happy and not happy at the same time because I spent a lot of money, but I'm happy that I have better drone and another storage. So yeah, and now I'm going to look at some FPV drone. Let's see if I buy in future as well, but yeah, I will see, because it's quite expensive as well, so I'm not sure. So okay, one drone wasn't enough today, so I ordered second one, FPV drone, and it should come in 3 or 4 weeks. And I had to buy this remote. I will buy Google's as well, and the drone will look like this, but a little bigger. It's a long run, so it's good for landscape and longer distance. So I'm so excited. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
See you.
See you.
Mate, and you will inform you that we will stay in touch. We will stay in touch.
Sure.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I was so hungry that I didn't film you food, but I got noodles. Okay, I'm in co-working space after lunch. I got contour, and now I'm downloading FPV simulator, and I'm going to learn it. It's so difficult. So I need practicing. I got almost one month till my drone will arrive. So yeah, I need to practice every day.